Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Ford Econoline. Stock number is A7553. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. Inside you have cloth interior. We're going to take a look at the back now. You do have the bulkhead here, as well as plenty of shelving in the back. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, and then we're going to swing around the back end. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise controls, full stereo is here, and your climate controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Ford on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.